in Vegas, you might want to try out these 3 unique and fun eats. First is Brunch with a View at Eiffel Tower Restaurant, named America's Most Romantic Restaurant by US News & World Report. Second are yummy hand-pulled noodles made by a noodle master at Shang Artisan Noodle. And third is my new favorite flavor of ice cream, junk food ice cream at Fulton Street Food Hall. So let's check them out. We went to Eiffel Tower Restaurant for my mom's birthday, and I would recommend it if you have a special occasion like a date or a birthday. It feels upscale, but then it's actually not too expensive. They have a price fixed brunch menu for $39 where you get an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. Or you can order from the a la carte menu. The food was pretty good. I especially liked the ocean seafood salad that my mom got. It had lobster and crab and it tasted so fresh. And then the French onion cheeseburger that my brother got was especially good as well. It's a really nice brunch experience and you have a great view of the Bellagio water show. There are very few restaurants that make fresh noodles. After you've had fresh hand-pulled noodles, you will never go back. You can watch the chef make the noodle in front of you. By stretching the dough, it makes the noodles so chewy and it tastes so good. You can have the knife-shaped version where the chef takes a vegetable peeler and basically slices the dough straight into the boiling water. Or you can have the hand-pulled ones where the chef will stretch, fold in half until you get super thin noodles. I would definitely recommend the Shang beef noodle soup, which is so good. The beef is so tender and they give you so many pieces. And with the knife-shaped noodle, oh my gosh, the broth is so flavorful. It's spicy, but not too spicy. And the noodles soak up the broth so well. Then we got the dry noodle, the Peking jjajang noodle with hand-pulled noodles, and it was so good. If you're ordering appetizers, the beef pancakes are a must. They're really juicy inside, and if you get the sliced beef appetizer, it's really good with the beef noodle soup as well. So if you love noodles, you have to check out Shang Artisan Noodle. And third is junk food ice cream at Fulton Street Food Hall. Located inside Harrah's Casino, Fulton Street Food Hall offers a bubble waffle cone sundae with 4 scoops of ice cream. You can get 2 small scoops and 2 big scoops. For the 2 small scoops, we got brownie chunk, and for the big scoops, we got junk food ice cream, which is a flavor I've never seen before. It's vanilla ice cream that has chocolate-covered pretzels, kettle chips, and caramel popcorn. It was so good. The snacks inside were still crispy, and I don't even know how they did it. And the vanilla ice cream is actually really good as well. It's really rich and creamy. And the bubble waffle cone on the outside, it's not soft and fluffy. It has a structure so that it can hold the ice cream. So you have to use your finger or bite them off, but it's so good because it's crunchy and chewy. So if you love ice cream with a lot of stuff inside, you will love junk food ice cream. It's now my favorite flavor of ice cream, and I don't know where else I can find it. Check out our other videos on the buffets and other yummy restaurants. See you guys next time!